My name is Ian McPherson. I'm master of this vessel, the Newmass Warrior. We're a tractor tug and we dock ships at Orca Sand in Port McNeill.
I'm Jack Davies, owner, captain of Standard Towing Limited. Standard Towing Limited came into being in 1981. We were towing oil barges at that time. In 2009, we got a contract for ship berthing at Polaris Minerals up at Port McNeill, BC, and we built the first of the two Z drives.
I actually started running tugs when I was 19 years old. It was a small boat. I finally got my ticket when I turned 27. I was working for C-SPAN at the time. And it's all I've done ever since.
There's an eagle on the end of the point. I've been running tugs since I was 18, so 39 years. Well, the traditional shaft line, I spent the first 35 years doing that, so the Z-Drive tug is like being on a Formula One race car. It's fun, it's so maneuverable, it's exciting, and just what you can do with the boat is simply amazing.
It's ideal. It's the best tool for the job. You can do anything with it. You can steer it within a half an inch of where you want that line and pull it back off. It will literally stop in its own length from wide open full ahead. You've got total control over what you can do.
The challenges up in the north coast here are mainly weather, wind, tide and current that comes out of Pulteney Point. The other problem up in this area, you need something extremely reliable because getting parts up here is very restricted. Well, I'm a BC Coast pilot as well as a tugboat owner and captain, and there's no comparison for anything in the ship berthing world that compares with the Z-Drive on its maneuverability, its pulling power, or the way it can do whatever the pilot requires. So when we got the contract at Polaris Minerals, that's what I decided to do, was go with the Z-Drive, as it's the only way to go.